What if making money online did not have to be confusing? What if you only needed one simple strategy to finally get started? What if making money online did not have to be confusing? What if you only needed one simple strategy to finally get started? Pick one audience, create one simple offer, and take action without overthinking everything. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you a simple strategy to start making money online, even if you are a complete beginner. Most beginners do not fail because they have no ideas. They get stuck because they have too many ideas and do not know which one to start with. The truth is, simple beats complicated. You do not need 10 strategies. You need one clear plan you can actually follow. Money online usually comes from solving problems. People pay for help, speed, shortcuts, clarity, convenience, and results. Here is the simple strategy: choose one problem, help one type of person, and create one clear offer. Instead of asking, "How can I make money fast?" ask, "What problem can I solve for someone today?" That question changes everything. Start by looking around you. People are struggling with time, money, content, organization, technology, resumes, fitness, cleaning, planning, and learning new skills. Complaints are clues. When someone says, "I do not have time," "I do not know how," or "I wish this was easier," pay attention. Online comments are full of problems. Look at YouTube comments, TikTok comments, Facebook groups, Reddit posts, and questions people keep asking. Write down 10 problems people have. Do not judge the ideas yet. The goal is to train your mind to see money opportunities inside everyday problems. After you find a problem, choose who you want to help. A clear audience makes your offer easier to explain and easier to sell. Do not say, "I help everybody." That sounds unclear. Say, "I help busy beginners," "I help small business owners," or "I help new creators." When you are specific, people feel like you are speaking directly to them. That makes them more likely to listen, trust, and take action. Use this simple formula: I help this person solve this problem so they can get this result. Now turn the problem into an offer. An offer is simply the help you provide and the result the person gets. For example, I help small business owners create 5 simple social media posts so they can show up online this week.
Inzujine the two-lined.
Another example, I help job seekers improve their resume so they can apply with more confidence.
Another example, I help beginners organize their weekly budget so they can understand where their money is going. Do not spend months building a big product before knowing if people want it. Start small and test the offer first. Post your offer online. Tell people who it is for, what problem it solves, what result they get, and what to do next. You can also send respectful direct messages. Do not spam. Just look for people who may need help and offer a simple solution. Make the next step easy. Say, "Comment help," "Send me a message," "Book a call," or "Click the link." Confused people do not take action. When someone says yes, focus on delivering the result. Keep it simple, communicate clearly, and do what you promised. After you deliver, ask for feedback. What did they like? What confused them? What else do they need help with? If the client is happy, ask for a testimonial. Testimonials help future customers trust you faster. Then repeat the process. One problem, one audience, one offer, one simple action every day. That is how you build momentum online. You do not need to be perfect to start making money online. You need a simple problem, a clear audience, a helpful offer, and the discipline to take action. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment start if you are ready to make your first move online.